Darwin and Freud are like a pair of mischievous comedians. Darwin runs around the house with Freud eagerly chasing after him. They can chase each other for hours, then switch roles. Freud becomes the big brother, Darwin the little one, creating moments of hilarity that make everyone laugh. But little do people know, behind those laughs is a heartwarming story of friendship and sharing. When I first brought Darwin home, I was going through a tough time in my life, feeling lonely and detached from everything around me. I had been thinking about getting a bird for a while, and the moment I took Darwin out of his little travel bag and placed him on my chest, I knew he was special. He immediately clung to me, and truly, since that moment, he has never left my side. Darwin brought energy and joy back into my life. He's mischievous in the most adorable way, curious, playful, and always wanting to be involved in everything I do. When I clean, he sits on my shoulder. When guests arrive, he's the first to greet them. Darwin is extremely friendly and loves people.
I'm cleaning.
But over time, I started to feel guilty. Although Darwin was very sociable, I knew parrots shouldn't live alone. They're flock animals. They need to play, communicate, and grow together. I started playing bird videos for Darwin to give him the feeling of having a companion. It was so cute to see him try to kiss the birds on the screen. That was when I realized Darwin truly needed a companion. After some time searching, I found a family rehoming a beautiful white ringneck parrot. That's how Freud came to us. From the very beginning, Freud was eager to be friends with Darwin, but Darwin was cautious. He wasn't used to fast movements and always kept his distance when Freud came near.
Good kiss.
But Freud didn't give up. Little by little, day by day, Darwin began to open up. The two of them started chasing each other around the house for hours, constantly switching roles, playing, teasing each other like real brothers. Freud learned everything from Darwin: how to play with toys, how to interact with people, and even how to explore the world around them. He would watch Darwin closely and then mimic everything he did. Now, they are like two brothers. Sometimes Freud is the playful little brother, and sometimes he's the sweetest friend. As for Darwin, he's more patient and affectionate than I ever thought. I also have a lovebird named Poe. She's like the little sister of the group. Usually, Poe doesn't participate in the games of the two brothers, except when there's food. That's when Poe shows up. Together, the three of them have formed a small, lovable family that warms my heart every day.